Welcome to our channel. Today we will explore a unique traditional profession imbued with Asian culture, beekeeping, and wild honey harvesting. Did you know that in the most special forests of Asia, many mysteries and precious natural resources are kept? Here, the beekeeping profession has existed for many generations, becoming an indispensable part of people's lives. First, bee trusses were built like small roofs in the middle of the forest. Workers choose suitable locations, usually places with lots of flowers and sweet honey to attract bees to nest. This job requires not only experience but also ingenuity and meticulousness in every detail. After preparing the bet, the worker begins placing the bet. This process includes choosing a location to place the rafter, ensuring that the rafter is located in the right wind and light direction, most favorable to attracting bees. The worker must carefully calculate each step to ensure that the bees will return to nest. Once the hives are stable, workers begin the process of checking and taking care of the rafters. They must understand the behavior of wild bees and know how to recognize signs of a healthy and ready-to-harvest hive. This job requires patience and subtle observation skills. This is an extremely important stage, requiring a deep understanding of the behavior of wild bees. Workers need to recognize signs of a healthy beehive through characteristics such as the color of beeswax, the level of bee activity, and the characteristic aroma of honey. Taking care of a beehive is more than just checking. It also includes protecting the hive from natural enemies such as ants, mice, and other animals. Workers must know how to use folk methods to effectively repel and protect beehives. This job requires patience, meticulousness, and subtle observation skills. When the harvest season comes, when the beehives are full of honey, workers begin to prepare for the harvest. They often choose early morning or late afternoon when bees are least active to minimize interference with hive operations. Each beehive is harvested by hand. The worker gently removes each piece of beeswax, ensuring not to damage the nest structure. This process requires great care and skill. The worker uses a sharp knife to cut the beeswax, then uses smoke to soothe the bees and avoid being stung. The smoke is created from special leaves, which does not harm the bees but is enough to calm them down. Every drop of honey is the crystallization of people's labor and love for nature. From then on, honey products became a source of pride and a valuable gift for tourists. Bottles of golden honey, pieces of pure beeswax, all have rich flavor and high nutritional value. After harvesting, honey is filtered and tested for quality. Wild honey is famous for its rich, pure, and nutritious flavor, becoming a valuable specialty of this land. Honey here has a shiny yellow color, mild aroma, and sweet taste. It is not only a delicious dish, but also a valuable remedy in traditional medicine. The profession of beekeeping not only brings a sustainable source of income for people, but also preserves and promotes traditional Asian cultural values. It is a combination between humans and nature, between sweat and effort, and sweet drops of honey. Every drop of honey is the crystallization of people's labor and love for nature. From then on, honey products became a source of pride and a valuable gift for tourists. Bottles of golden honey, pieces of pure beeswax, all have rich flavor and high nutritional value. Thank you for experiencing this exciting and meaningful journey with us. The profession of beekeeping is a clear testament to the creativity and continuous efforts of farmers in protecting and developing natural resources. Please continue to accompany us in the next programs to discover more wonders of life in Asian farmers. Hello, and see you again.